Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, Leos. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Two of Stars, Temperance in reverse, and Justice. So Leos, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So today you are maybe trying to find the balance. You don't know which way to go or what to decide, maybe in your work or in your personal life. So you feel that both the choices you have right in front of you are good choices and you don't know which path to choose for yourself. So you have two directions pulling at you and you don't know which way to go. And you want to decide certain things in in the right way, and you want a certain result in your situation maybe, and that is the reason you don't know which way to go today. So you are trying to find the right choice today, guys. Maybe in your work you are making some important choices between some projects or assignments or what needs to be done next. So something is very uncertain, unclear today, and you are someone who wants to make a honest choice, but today you have your intuition blanking out. Maybe you don't know what to choose. Maybe you see both the paths or both the choices as something good and you don't know what to choose for yourself, guys. But Leos, I see that if you are really paying attention to your situation, think clearly, see what it is right in front of you, you are going to perceive things in a different way today and you may get that clarity you need. So you will surely understand what needs to be done today if you are really careful and attentive in your situation, guys. And your impatience is not going to help you. Maybe you are impatient, you just want to make the choice, move forward today, and that impatience or that attitude is not going to take you anywhere. It is going to land you in more difficulties, guys. So in order to make the right choice, you have to be really balanced in your thought, think clearly, see the pros and cons with both the choices that you have, and then move forward today, guys. And maybe there are people who are competing with you, and that may be the reason that you feel that you have to make a choice immediately. So you have a lot of competition or some kind of pressure is there on you to make a choice, make a decision. So it may be in your relationship or it may be in your work. So maybe in this relationship, this person has given you a timeline to think and decide on certain things. So that may be the reason you are in a hurry. But patience is what you need, guys, today. And patience is what is going to take you towards the right decision today, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Two of Moons. So looks like yourself and your person, you both share a beautiful understanding and a great compatibility with each other, and things are going in a very positive way, and maybe it may move towards marriage or commitment, guys. Leos. So let's see what is the card for your judgment for your career situation. So with this card in your work situation, you are going to be really successful, guys. Succeed in whatever you are doing. So you will be able to make the right choice and act accordingly, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leo. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have, and the words we speak to people, it has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.